So on the 8th of April, I saw ORECO Group post a video on the Instagram page to say that why choose their microchip mulch, because they say that their product can cover more surface area than the other brands that are out there in the market. I am giving it a go at this garden bed right here. At first glance, when I first bought it at Bunnings, it's like $22 for a bag, which is much more than what I would normally pay for a regular bag of mulch. But hey, this is a new product and they said that it does offer more coverage, so yeah, why not? So my first impression of the product was it is so easy to spread. As you can see, it just goes everywhere easily. It doesn't really cut my hand, it's not pokey, and not dusty at all. So really simple product to use. Well, as you can see, with just one bag I've covered most of this garden bed, and yeah, I'm moving on to another bag for the other side of what is uncovered. Generally, when I do a mulch project of this size, I would be buying about 7 to 10 bags of mulch from the other brand, and usually it will cost me and my client about $100-ish. Whereas from what you can see right here, I'm only using 2 bags, which is very good value, and I love it is because it's just so simple to spread, and it looks good too, and it's not dusty. So after watching my video, would you consider trying this product? And if so, if you have used it, I would love to hear your feedback. And also I would love to hear ORECO's feedback of my video. So have a great day, and yeah, thanks for watching.